Today we will talk about one of the most popular Russian writers. His name is Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. He was born in 1860 and died in 1904. Lisa Bestuzhev is an expert in the biography of the greatest Russian writer. She is here today to tell us some interesting facts concerning his life. As we all know, Chekhov was not only a writer, but also a doctor. During his childhood, he woke up at 5 o'clock and sang church songs. When he started his writing career, he never signed his own name. Instead, he used some very funny nicknames. Today we will talk about one of the most well-known stories written by Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. The story is called The Darling. It tells about a woman whose name is Olenka and her feelings. Affection – любовь, привязанность. Annoyance – раздражение. Ashamed – пристыженный. Beam – лучезарно улыбаться. Cheerfully – охотно, бодро. Commercial – коммерческий. Completely – полностью. Dedication – преданность. Depart – уезжать, уходить. Dimple – ямочка на щеке. Disappear – исчезать. Embarrassment – смущение. Fix up – оборудовать, приготовить. Learn something by heart – учить что-либо наизусть. Sound asleep – крепко спящий. Responsibility – ответственность. Peacefulness – спокойствие. Fable – басня. Fellow – парень. Graduate – оканчивать учебное заведение. Happiness – счастье. Inspect – осматривать, инспектировать. Irritation – раздражение. Joy – радость, веселье. Maternal instinct – материнский инстинкт. Misty – туманный. Mutter – бормотать, говорить невнятно. Noiselessly – бесшумно. Overflowing – переполненный. Purr – мурлыкать. Short story – короткий рассказ. Shove – сунуть, засовывать. Sorrow – горе, печаль. Sorrowfully – печально, грустно. Superfluous – чрезмерный. Sympathy – симпатия. Tie – галстук. Tucked – засунутый.